Cameron Construction started in 1973, and John started the company and wanted to make sure that the clients were taken good care of. And a few years ago I became part of the company as he wanted to move the company into the next generation. And so Kevin Cameron and myself is moving that to the next generation, continuing that legacy that John has developed over the years and moving it on to the future.
Yes, my dad and a partner started the company in '73, and I am the president of the company. I'm also a project manager, so I kind of help with the overall operations of the company, and then I am involved in a detailed level with projects.
It's important for us to deliver the product the way the customer wants it. And it shows, I think, a huge confidence in us when a client continues to give us business. The projects with IHC, with Maverick, with numerous customers are repeat business. And that tells us that we're doing something right for them to continue to come back to us so that we can do the work.
We worked for LDS Hospital at IHC for several years now, and we've actually had a crew on site at LDS Hospital specifically for several years, in addition to other IHC work. The relationship has been beneficial to both of us, and so we've managed to stay busy up there, which has been good.
This is just part of an upgrade that the hospital is trying to do to facelift, make it more accessible and pleasing to the eyes. I've known one of the primary owners of the company for probably about the last 15 years, and that's one of the reasons I came to work with Cameron is because of the people. They're very personable. They know me and I know them. I can talk to them about a number, and they work well with the community.
The Radisson we're working on right now, that's a challenging project as well. Whereas we're working on a tight schedule. It's a fast-paced job. It's a short job, and yet the project, the hotel is staying in operation the entire time, which is again the same thing going on with LDS Hospital.
Cameron Construction has always been one that is concerned about how the owner is going to feel about their product. Cameron's been very particular on who they employ for that reason. They want someone who's going to represent the company well.
My favorite part about the job is being able to travel, throughout the valley or throughout the area and see projects that we've worked on in the past. It's satisfying to be able to drive down the road and see this building we did or that building that we did, and see how the buildings are aging and see that they're still being enjoyed for their original purpose.
The thing that I think is important for Cameron Construction is we're not the biggest on the block, but because we're the size we are, we can give that individual attention. Because many times a customer is coming in with a dream of theirs and they want it to come to a reality. And so when we're able to help them with that, that's tremendous.